story. The Director General of the International Air Transport Association, Willie Walsh, has now given a statement on the preliminary report of the Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad. He has stated that he commends the Indian government and the AAIB for the release of the preliminary report, which he thinks contained more information than most people were expecting. He's also stated that all airlines and all aviation professionals will now await the publication of the final report, which will go into significantly more detail. Mehendi, of course, the report that had come out just a couple of days back was the preliminary report. It had to be furnished within 1 month. The 30 days was in fact the time period that was given to the AAIB to furnish the preliminary report. But when can we expect the final report? Because it seems that now the entire world is curious as to what exactly transpired that fateful day, and international experts are also weighing in.
Well, indeed, Pia, a lot of questions are there after the preliminary report is out. And now the International Air Transport Association, as in the IATA, has also said that the AAIB preliminary report on the Air India plane crash contains more information than most people were expecting, which is helpful because, a lot of questions are there because international media is also trying to blame the pilots. So everyone is waiting for the other reports, for the further investigation in this matter to have a clear picture that what exactly went wrong on that day in the Air India flight. So also the IATA Director General Willie Walsh have said that, who is also a pilot rather, have said that how aircraft accident investigators should be allowed time to conduct investigations properly, and it is also very important for the industry that the reports are published in a timely manner, because this is just a preliminary report that has been out by AAIB, and it was specifically mentioned that this is just the starting of an investigation, and the probe is underway and much more investigation is there as well. So it has been also said by the IATA that, he's very pleased that the Indian government and the AAIB has issued the preliminary report on time, but still a lot is there on the report, and a lot is there to be uncovered as well, which will be uncovered in the upcoming investigation and the report. So indeed, it will take some time here to get the other, reports on the platform, because AAIB have released the preliminary report now that killed 260 people, and now it is awaited that when much more findings will be happening, because indeed a lot of questions are being asked by the international media over the pilots, blaming the pilots rather, and also different associations from India also are questioning the preliminary report as of now.